Okay, so this question's a little bit different from the others because we're talking about two different pipes both flowing into the pool. Before we get started, make sure you understand what the scenario is saying. So we have one pool that's going to fill the pool, one pipe that could fill the pool in 12 hours. It's going to be going for 4.5 hours, and then pipe B also comes in, which also goes for another 4.5 hours, which means that pipe A is going to go for a total of 9 hours, okay, and pipe B will be going for 4.5 hours. So I'm going to write this out as a verbal model first. So I'll have my rate for A, that's pipe A, okay, times the number of hours it's going to run plus the rate for pipe B and the number of hours that it's going to run. And if I take a look at the rate is going to be pools per hour, so the hours will cancel out, so it's essentially pool plus pool equal, and we're trying to go ahead and they're filling up the same pool together, so pool plus pool equals pool, so the units work out. So as I go to plug stuff in here, pipe A can do the pool in 12 hours, so this is one pool per 12 hours, okay, and it's going to run for a total of 9 hours because 4.5 hours plus another 4.5. The second one is going to, we're searching for the radius, so we have one pool per X hours, okay, times, and it's going to be going for 4.5 hours because it comes in after the other one's been going for 4.5 hours already. So we have one pool. Okay, so units should cancel so that I end up with pool plus pool equals pool, so I'm good there. So as I go ahead and get rid of the units here, I'm going to just do 9 over 12, which reduces down to 3/4, plus, and then 4.5 over x equals to 1. Subtract 3/4 from both sides, so I end up with 4.5 over x equals 2, and I subtract this, it would be 1/4. Okay, we're running out of room here, but let's see. So in this case right here, I'll have 4/5, which is the same thing as 9 over 2. I'm multiplying both sides by x here, so I end up with x, or 1/4 x. Okay, and I can go ahead and multiply both sides by 4 to get x by itself here. And when I do that here, 2 goes into 4 2 times, so I have 2 times 9 on one side, or 18 equals x. Okay, which means that this thing is going to take 18 hours per pool, and that's for pipe B. Okay, hope this helps.